Hey buddy, welcome to Wizard.com. My name is Shubhadeep Chaudhary and I am your maths tutor. So let's begin. According to the questions, there are 29 mangoes in a bag and there are p bags in all. So we have to find an expression where we can represent the total number of mangoes. So number of mangoes in one bag equals 29, and total number of bags which you have, so total number of bags which we have is equals p. So let's go step by step. So number of mangoes in two bags will be equals 29, that is number of mangoes in one bag, plus another 29, that is the number of mangoes present in the second bag, and this can be written as 29 multiplied by 2. Similarly, we can say number of mangoes in three bags equals 29 plus 29 plus 29, which can be written as 29 multiplied by 3. So similarly, we can say that number of mangoes in p bags, as the total number of bags equals p, will be equals 29 plus 29 plus this goes on up to p terms. So this will become 29 multiplied by p. It's similar that when two bags are there, then total number of mangoes will be 29 multiplied by 2. When number of bags equals 3, then total number of mangoes will be 29 multiplied by 3. So similarly, when number of bags equals p, so total number of mangoes will be 29 multiplied by p. Therefore, upon checking the options, we see that option A will be our required final answer. So that's it. Thank you and have a great day.